want me to hold it? Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. All right. We're sailing on a tack, on a port tack, actually. Wind coming from our left.
You're so wet too.
And here I am. Okay, here's your camera.
Alright. Oh no! Woo!
There's ducks on your left.
Get them! Yeah, ducks! Woo! You know, if we're in the shelter behind those rocks, we're not going to have as much waves. See how we're getting out of the waves because we're going upwind?
Yeah.
That's what we want. We want to be kind of like 200 yards away from those rocks.
We're going to turn a little bit more to port.
Okay,
See if we get a little more speed.
Okay.
Yes, we are. Yeah, right about there.
Woo!
You got your hand on the steering handle?
Yeah.
Okay, just keep it on that track.
Okay. Alright, turning off. Commencing shutdown. Everybody wave goodbye.
Wave, Ethan, to the camera.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Go ahead.
Here we go, we're going to attack.
You're going to have to go all the way 180. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Head towards those Columbia and straight.
Woo! Yeah, thumbs up back there. Woo!
All right.
You're Ethan the sailman. Flying the Alma, baby!